Life is filled with challenges, and there are times when it feels like everything is falling apart. In those moments, it's easy to lose hope and let fear paralyze us. But I want to ask you today, do you believe in hope? No matter how tough life gets, what truly matters is that we find the strength to rise again. Every setback, every disappointment, they are just temporary obstacles. They have not come to stay. They have come to pass it. Sometimes, we need to take a step back and find solace within ourselves. We must recharge our batteries, clear our heads, and look at things from a different perspective. We should not let our emotions control us, for when we do, they can consume us. Discipline is key. If we want to achieve greatness, we must be willing to go against the tide. We have to harness our willpower and take control of our lives. No external force is stopping us from pursuing our dreams. It comes down to our will, hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment. Not everyone will reach their goals, but the difference lies in the willingness to get back up when knocked down. It takes perseverance, a never-say-die attitude, and the courage to face the challenges ahead. We know the road ahead won't be easy. There will be obstacles, discomfort, and those who try to break us. But let's make up our minds before the battle begins that we will emerge victorious. Instead of crying out to give up, let's cry out to keep going. Within pain lies the potential for success. Don't believe anyone who says you can't make it. No one can predict what you're capable of achieving. You hold the power to shape your own destiny. If you're willing to endure the hardships, who has the right to stop you? Listen to your gut, follow your dreams, and don't let anyone deny you the right to be where you want to be and do what you want to do. As we pursue our aspirations, let's remember that we are blessed and highly favored. No matter the circumstances or challenges we face, as long as we're alive, we have the opportunity to make it happen. So get up, get moving, and embrace the game of life. You still have breath in your nostrils, and that means you can win. Keep pushing forward and seize the possibilities that lie ahead.